So, oh my freaking godness, bro. Wow, guys, this is insane. Wow. Guys, hello everyone, this is Alan Chester. Before we start, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is just for entertainment and based only on my personal testing and observations. This is not financial advice, not a recommendation, and not something you should rely on in any way. Anything related to money always involves risk, and results can change at any moment. I'm not suggesting anyone to try or use anything shown here. This content is intended for adults only. On this channel, I sometimes share random stuff, things I test, ideas I come across, or just anything I find interesting. Nothing too serious, just exploring different things. And yeah, if you ever feel like seeing more of what I'm doing outside of these videos, you probably know where to find it. I drop some extra things there from time to time. Alright, today I just want to check one random thing I came across. No expectations, just testing how it behaves. Let's see what happens. So I press start and continue. So with test value, I will choose this one. Okay, I will open this one. Okay, now it's loading. Let's just wait for this. And now it loaded, so I will press this blue button and green one. So now I will set this one, copy it, and open this thing. I will choose this, send, and paste it here. Small test value here, and next, continue. So, okay, nice. Now I will wait for processing. Okay guys, for now we didn't get it, but let me just reload it once. Nothing. Then I will try to reopen it. Close anyway, so I will open it again. So, okay guys, nice, we got it, so let's continue. I will press continue. This setup. Complete it. And next step. So I will choose this one. Okay, while it's loading, I just wanted to tell you that I forgot to show you how I adjusted this settings, which apparently helps to identify me. Now I will find my seed in the fairness. So I copy it and paste here. And next seed in the same place. So paste it here. And the last one for me is 23. Okay, so final loading. Okay, I will adjust the settings again. Complete it. Next step. And okay, now it's again loading. So, okay guys, we got it. So let's go. Okay, close. This one and this blue button. One is done. Good. Oh, wow. Damn, bro. Wow. This is insane, guys. Oh my God. Guys, I need to try one more purely only for test. Okay, I will set this one. So, okay, let's go. Next one. Nice, I got it. So let's go. Good. Wow. Okay. And wow. Oh my freaking godness, guys. Wow, it is speechless. Guys, it is really insane. But remember, this is just experimenting my own purposes. So just let me press this blue button. Okay, I will choose this one, fill this, and I open this thing just to copy my address. Okay. copy and paste it here, and this blue button. Okay guys, we got a message about our request. Let's just wait for this for a moment. And real quick, before anything, just a reminder. Everything you see here is purely for entertainment and based on my personal testing. This is not financial advice, not a recommendation. Outcomes here are random and can change at any time, and there's always a risk of loss in everything. I'm not encouraging anyone to try or use anything shown in this video. This is intended for adult viewers only. Guys, while we are waiting for this, I decided to try how it's gonna behave without our setup. Okay, wow. Oh guys, okay, now I can see what happens. So let's continue. Okay guys, so we got new message about our request, so let's check it. I will open this one. Okay, waiting for reload. So, oh my freaking godness, bro. Wow, guys, this is insane. Wow. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I really appreciate you for watching this video. To be honest, now I will go to the workout. So guys, see you later. It was Alan Chester.